Баба Яга уебала. У нас отработали.
Aerial reconnaissance of the Kharkiv Border Guard unit, using vampire drones, destroyed 12 positions of the Russian invaders. The State Border Service reported this and released the relevant video. Russians also published their video. "We were hit hard, specifically hit. Here's my Tiger, it's destroyed. Baba Yaga got us. All the wheels are gone. 2 hits," a Russian soldier tells, looking at his equipment. A Russian soldier is explaining the damage caused by Baba Yaga drones, showing the holes they made in the vehicle. You can hear the terror in his voice as he describes the attack, speaking about Baba Yaga with both fear and respect. The Novoshakhtinsk oil refinery, 7.5 million tons per year capacity, has halted operations due to Ukrainian attacks, reports Andriy Kovalenko from the Center Countering Disinformation in Ukraine. After initially scaling down, the plant is now completely shut down due to equipment damage. Ukrainian warriors of the 14th Unmanned Aviation Systems Regiment launched a missile strike on the Orlan control station. The Orlan 10 is a Russian reconnaissance, surveillance, and electronic warfare drone developed by the Special Technology Center in St. Petersburg. Russian commanders held 3 Katsaps in a pit, and when they came out, 2 of them were stabbed by their own men. Soldiers in the video belong to the 1437th Regiment of the Russian Armed Forces. According to their relatives, they were taken away in an unknown direction on the night of January 3rd and are now being searched for.
Ну там его, короче, держит, смотри, бля, пизда нахуй.
Вызывайте милицию срочно.
Свои же уебали, короче, пацана. Теперь, блядь, пизда, мы сидим в яме, нахуй, вон лежит там. Ножом въебали, короче, пацана в бок. Говорят, минут 40 осталось ему. Свои же, короче, нас хуярят, нахуй, потихоньку я.
A beautiful story. This man who fought for Russia got into an accident on a scooter and is now begging for money to get home from Donbass to Ryazan.
Hello, dear comrades. It's hard, but it's necessary. Turning to you for help again, as I have no one else to turn to. I got into an accident on the scooter that you did once give me for my mobility. I am very grateful to you for this. You brought me back to life, and for that, I am very, very grateful to you. Well, this is Donbass. Here things happen not at all as one would want, and not as one would like. I ended it up in the hospital. Love, comrade, many thanks to her. May God grant her health. I sincerely wish. She helped, but wanted me and my family to return home. Well, home to Ryazan, to our hostel. And she was raising money for the trip. Well, half of it had to be spent on IVs there. Well, that's all this hospital stuff. Now, dear comrades, I am calling schools because my son is with us, with my wife, with me. And they are calling. They cannot understand why the son is not going to school. And at the moment, I cannot find or even borrow money from someone here in Donbass for the journey. Although I can repay with my pension, it's unreal, really. There's such total devastation here. I knew things were bad here. Not to this extent. And that's why. Help me gather money for a ticket. Very good.
Очень прошу.
Thank you. With God.
Ukrainian National Guard soldiers raised the Ukrainian flag behind Russian lines in Donetsk Oblast. Under the cover of night, pilots from the Chervona Kalina Brigade of the National Guard used a drone to place the Ukrainian flag on a tower controlled by the enemy, reminding the Russians that they won't be here for long. The 14th Chervona Kalina Brigade is an assault unit within the National Guard of Ukraine, established on November 2, 2014, evolving from the 8th Operational Regiment. Stationed in Kalinivka, Vinnytsia Oblast, the brigade operates under the Offensive Guard initiative by the Ministry of Internal Affairs. In July 2024, the brigade engaged in defensive and reconnaissance missions, countering Russian assaults near Mala Tokmachka and Sherbaki. It seems that Russian propagandist Solovyov criticizes the weakness of his master, as their new ballistic missile Oreshnik has not yet covered all of Ukraine.
Vladimir Vladimirovich said very clearly and plainly, we'll find them in the toilet and we'll kill them in the toilet. Did we kill Budanov? Did we kill Zelensky? Did we kill Banderites, terrorists, Nazis? And it doesn't matter what they put on, what clothes, they remain who they are. We need to act decisively. Enemy, they use all methods against us. We need to return to the harshest response system. Today there was an attempt to strike a nuclear energy facility. Is this not a reason to use Oreshnik? Erase a necessary range of infrastructure objects from the face of the earth. Decision-making, logistics. The Oreshnik is there. The Oreshnik is waiting. It's time to sow Ukraine with Oreshnik. We need to fight demons with the harshest methods.
Oil flows through Russia's Baltic seaport of Ust-Luga appeared to pause, backing up Kiev's claims of a successful drone strike on a pumping station. It would present a significant new supply threat for the global oil market if it were to be confirmed that Ukrainian drone strikes have damaged the pipeline system feeding Ust-Luga, halting oil shipments from the port for a prolonged period. A person with knowledge of the deliveries said that Ust-Luga flows dropped to 0 on January 29th. Shipping data seen by Bloomberg indicate a tanker left early Wednesday, although there is a gap in vessel signals after that. Neither provided a reason for the apparent decline, and there can be periods when ships don't load anyway. A Ukrainian security official said on Wednesday that the nation's drones had struck Russia's Andriapol pumping station on the Baltic Pipeline System 2, which feeds Ust-Luga, causing the link to halt.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.